Hey guys, so this is a small home idea, and as you can see, it is really small, like really small. But yeah, so this is the outside. It's a little garage. I haven't put a car in it yet. As you can see, I'm kinda broke. Whatever. There's a little wind chime. It's adorable. And then, little plant. Oh. Okay, ignore that. I'm gonna fix that. Okay. Open is my home. Okay, so this is the kitchen. It's very small. That's a little hack right there. So you put a table, industrial desk, and then you put a computer. This is an Islam laptop or a Islam something. I don't even know how to pronounce it. And then there's a fridge and whatever. And here's the little simple bedroom. You can only do this bed if you have what's it called? If you have resize and transform. So the pillows, you need the transform because you can't actually place them like that. You need them to put them like right here where I'm stepping, and then you move them back. Yeah, but whatever. And then with these aren't walls, they look like walls, but they're actually just a basic square block, and you resize it to make it look like that, and then you transform it and move it to look close to the bed. And then here's the bathroom. I don't think you really need any sort of you don't need any sort of thing to buy on this. Sorry, I keep forgetting the words. But on this, I think you need the I forgot what it is. But it makes you move the things closer together. So yeah, and that's it. So that's just a small little house, and as you can see, I need to fix up some things. Like over here, there's a little plant going through. I need to do the trash can. That, obviously, that, and that. So yeah, just be careful about that. But I'm gonna put like a sun room in it. And I'm also going to put like a little table and chairs outside. But so far it looks really cute. Okay, bye.